Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of Math Review. Today we're going to be looking at expressing fractions as division statements, and we're doing this with practice point set 20, page 1. If you look at the explanations and the information at the top, it's really important. We have division statements can be written as fractions and fractions can be written as division statements, like so. If we had a normal fraction with a numerator on top and the denominator on the bottom, that can be turned into a division statement of numerator divided by denominator. So if we simply put that division symbol in between the numerator and the denominator, it means the same as our original fraction. We can also rewrite it as the numerator inside our division house and the denominator on the outside dividing into that numerator. So let's go ahead and answer our questions based on that information we just learned. Write 10 divided by 6 as a fraction. Okay, well first I'm going to take this information and look up here. This original statement looks like this middle statement here. If I want to turn it into a fraction, I know I'm going to have to put my line to divide my numerator from my denominator. And then if I look at the rule, numerator goes on top and denominator goes on the bottom. So my answer is 10/6. My next question says write 5 divided by 6 as a fraction. So right now I have it written in this form over here. Therefore, my numerator, which is going to go on top of my fraction, is inside the division house. So when I make my fraction, I'm going to take the number inside my division house and put that on top. Then I'm going to take the denominator, or the number outside the fraction or the division house, and put it on the bottom. So my fraction is 5/6. This next question says to write 3/4 as a division statement in two different ways. Well, if you look back up here at the top, I have my two different ways right here. So if I'm going to take 3/4 and make it first like this middle statement, it will simply be 3 divided by 4. Now in order to do it with the division house, I'm going to draw my division house, and I'm going to remind myself that the numerator actually goes inside the division house and the denominator goes on the outside. So I'm done with that problem. My last one is the exact same. I'm going to be taking the fraction 8/4 and I'm going to write it as a division statement two different ways. So my first one will be where I have numerator divided by denominator. And then my second one is going to be numerator on the inside of the division house divided by my denominator. There you have fractions as division statements. If you have any questions, remember to ask your teacher.